I want to keep the repair spot as small as possible, and therefore I will add some masking tape to set myself some boundaries. And also protecting parts that needs to be protected against sanding scratches. The next step, I will cover the car with plastic and we'll cut out the repair area. And now we're going to prepare it for filler application. So this is how I mask for filler application. I fold back the paper to avoid a sharp edge. To keep the repair as small as possible, we're going to use this tie line by having masking tape folding back to create a soft edge. On this part of the bumper we will do the same. Also on this part of the car I want to keep the repair as small as possible. So I will create 2 tunnels to avoid overspray.